Hey YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to install a game. You can install a NSP game or XCI game or e-game or whatever kind of game this is the easiest way in my opinion. I've used Tinfoil and all those other ones, but this is by far the easiest way to install a game on Switch 2023. So what you need to do, guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You're gonna need to go to this site, github.com something. So this DBI, you install this one. You go down from this site, you install the DBI config, download this one and the DBI NRO. So you can take these two files and put on your SD and put them in the Switch folder, put them in there. So in here I have the album folder. Here I have different apps. You want to go to the DB installer. You go in here, run MTP responder. I'm just gonna connect my Switch to my PC. Okay, I've connected my Nintendo Switch to the PC now. So what I do to make the transfer very efficient and easy, you run this MTP responder. After you press this will show up. So here you want to go to Microsoft SD install, or you can install it to the NAND. I'm gonna go and install it to the NAND. Go here, and here it says place NSP, NSC, XCI, and yeah, these files. So yeah, here I have, I'm gonna put a file here. It's a small game. I'm gonna drag this one inside here. As you can see, the file is very small. Then it's gonna say a bunch of numbers here and title installation complete. So what you wanna do, just head on back, and there you have it, guys. Let's see. So this is the game I just installed. As you can see, it works like a gem, and every game works perfectly and so fast and efficient, and you don't need to go in tinfoil and you don't need to hassle with all kinds of things. But I think this is the easiest way by far to do this. So yeah, if you like this video, awesome YouTubers, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.